Ooh, look what came in the mail. Alright, let's unbox this thing. About to put this on. Let's see what we got. Let's see. This is the gunmetal color. This. K-tuned. There's another one. Just both of these. That's it. Sticker and that thing is wow. No instruction. K-tuned. Let's get to it. Alright, before we start, let's see how the old crusty ones look like. Let's see, you can see them right there. And you can barely see that one. That's how it looks. Alright, so what you gotta do is this one right here, this one right here, and this one over here to take out the lower control arm. So let me just do that really quick. Alright, so I'm taking out this bolt right here that holds the coilover. Let's see. There you go. So now we gotta do this one and the other one. Alright, so once you take out that bolt, to get this bolt, it's a little bit hard with this line in the way like this. So I took out a 10 right here. This is a 10. I just unloosened it, and it just gives you a little bit more space to put the socket right here. Alright, I loosened this one already. So it's about to come out too. So it's loose, as you can tell. So and I think you're gonna have to take this one off too, which is a 10, because this is connected to the old lower control arm. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna have to take this brake line out too. Taking out the other brake line right now as well. This is the metal bracket. I'm taking out the last bolt right now that I need to set the lower control arm loose right now. Alright, so there's actually the 3 in the front, the 3 brake lines, and then there's actually one more that I didn't see. There's one more in the back over here. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. It's like right next to the suspension, right here. One more. That's the last one. So there's 4 14s and 3 10s. So what we gotta do now is line it up and put the bolts back in. So we're gonna start off with this one right here. Then move our way to this one. This is the one that goes, it should go with the coilover, and this one down here over here. The one. Alright, so we put it in. We put all 3 in already. This is how it looks. This is one lower control arm on, and the other one's still stock. It's right here. Looking nice. Alright, so all we did was bolt up one of the brake lines, and then there's no holes to support for the other one for these new control arms, so we just zip tied it over here, and that's about it. We just put one zip tie and then the one that goes to like the caliper. So that's about it. Now we're done. Now we're gonna do the other side. So that's how it looks after with the new control arms, lower control arms, both sides. Pretty easy install. Doesn't take too long.